Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can optimize and defragment your disk in Windows 11. So here how you can optimize, maybe you need to or you have a like a lag, or you have an issue with your hard disk. Here, in order to do optimize, you can click one of your disks, maybe for example the local disk C, and here you can click three dots at the top of your screen, and here we go, you can click on optimize. Here you can optimize your drive to help your computer run more efficiently, or analyze them to find out if they need to be optimized. Only drive on or connected to your computer are shown. You can click this box in order to use advanced view. You can click and click optimize in order to do that. And also you can do optimize by right click the disk and click on properties, and here there is a tools tab here, and here optimizing your computer drives can help it run more efficiently by click optimize and defragment drive. So same, but this is the quick way. Just click three dots at the top of your screen in order to optimize your drive. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.